Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is the morning that I go to the beach. And I had said that I was going to wear these pipe cleaners in my hair to the beach. But I'm not. I can't take it any longer. I can't. I need these things out of my hair. It's not the pipe cleaners. It's me. I just can't take it any longer. It's not that it's doing anything that it should not do. It's just that I am just ready for a bit of movement in my hair. That's what I'm ready for. So I'm going to take it out. And I want you to know that when I pull on it and it does not come out the way that I expected, then I just do a little bit of twist and turn, and then I pull it out. Now, I don't know how these things are going to be dropping on my head today, but we'll see. I can barely tell which one is not a pipe cleaner. Like this one is, the pipe cleaner is still in. And the others I've taken out already. I'm gonna let you see how I take most of them out, and then I'm gonna come back. But before I leave you to take the rest of them out off camera, I wanted to thank my subscribers. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you for watching my videos, liking, and sharing. And if you're still watching this video and have not subscribed, please do join the Gene G family. And let's spend some time together, learn some things together, get to know each other, and just have a good time. Let's take this journey together, see where it is going to take me and where it just might take you. I am going to be back in a few minutes to me and possibly a few seconds to you. And I only have a few more of these to take out. And I think I have them all out. And this is how I'm going to the beach. And I will probably take a few pictures today to see how they fall as we move along. This is my hair in the back. I think I was just ready for the movement. Yes, the pipe cleaners have done what I wanted them to do. I have my curls. And it's no longer stiff, it's moving. And I'm good. Have a great day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again.
Get the water. Turn around. Turn around. Now step into the water.
Talk to them?
That's what they buy.
Oh, okay. Looked like our umbrella got away and we had to go get it. Okay, I'm gonna try. Ah!
Wait, it's pressing! It breaks! See, there's a crack!
Okay. Ah!
Yep, you did!
Ah, I did it.
Okay.